The Ninja Double Stack XL Air Fryer is designed to elevate the home cooking experience, featuring an innovative design with two vertically stacked baskets that enable simultaneous cooking of multiple dishes. Its space-saving design ensures it fits neatly on kitchen countertops without compromising cooking capacity. But is it as good as it sounds? This review provides a detailed analysis of the Ninja Double Stack XL, highlighting both its advantages and areas for improvement. To help you make an informed decision if you're thinking about buying a new air fryer, let's get into it. The Ninja Double Stack XL features a distinctive design that sets it apart from other air fryers. It comes with two vertically stacked baskets, allowing for simultaneous cooking of different dishes. This dual basket configuration is particularly beneficial for preparing large meals or for families who need to cook multiple items at once. The vertical design is also a space-saving feature, ensuring that it occupies less counter space while still providing a large cooking capacity. The build quality is robust, with a solid construction that feels durable and well-made, and with a modern and sleek exterior, fitting well into any kitchen decor. The control panel is intuitive and easy to navigate, with clear buttons and a digital display that provides essential cooking information at a glance. One of the standout features of the Ninja Double Stack XL Air Fryer is its exceptional cooking performance. The air fryer utilizes powerful convection heating to cook food quickly and evenly. It excels at producing crispy and well-cooked results, thanks to its efficient hot air circulation. The dual basket system allows for cooking two different foods at different temperatures and times, which is ideal for preparing complete meals without flavor crossover. There is, however, a learning curve associated with optimizing cooking times and temperatures. Achieving the perfect level of crispiness may require some experimentation, especially when cooking larger quantities or filling the baskets to capacity. The Ninja Double Stack XL Air Fryer offers several cooking modes, including air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. This versatility means it can handle a wide range of foods and cooking styles. Whether it's frying chicken wings to a perfect crisp, roasting vegetables, baking desserts, reheating leftovers, or dehydrating fruits, the appliance performs each task with efficiency and consistency. The control panel of the Ninja Double Stack XL is user-friendly, with clearly labeled buttons for each cooking function. Setting the time and temperature is straightforward, and the digital display makes it easy to monitor the cooking progress. The inclusion of preset cooking functions simplifies the process further, making it accessible even for those who are not familiar with air fryers. The appliance tends to be louder than some other air fryers on the market. The fan and the beeping sounds from the control panel can be quite noticeable, which might be disruptive in quieter household settings or in open-plan living spaces. Cleaning the Ninja Double Stack XL is a hassle-free experience. The baskets are non-stick, which prevents food from sticking and makes cleaning easier. Both baskets and their inserts are dishwasher safe, adding to the convenience. The Ninja Double Stack XL is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that offers an unparalleled balance between counter space and cooking capacity. Its ability to handle large meals and diverse cooking needs makes it a versatile tool in the kitchen. However, the price of this air fryer is a bit higher than others with similar specs, so if counter space is not an issue for you, there may be other similar options more affordable. I hope you found this review useful. To make sure I can make more content like this, please like and subscribe. Until next time.